Alright, welcome back chemistry teachers. This video is going to highlight using study.com. You can get to your study.com kind of course page. Actually, the only way to get to study.com to get logged in, all these links will work once you are logged in, is to log into Canvas. And once you've set up, here are the instructions. Once you've set up study.com, which you just follow these steps, it looks difficult, but once you get going, it'll be done quickly. And then you'll have a blue link over on the side on Canvas that you can click to get logged into study.com. The trick I've shared with teachers is I hated having to go to Canvas to go to study.com. So if you actually just right click on that blue link on Canvas and copy the hyperlink, you can paste that in as a bookmark, and then when you click it, it takes you into your screen automatically and it bypasses that Canvas route. So that's what I suggest. Once you are in and you have set things up, you should have your classes listed out. I obviously don't have classes, so this is just my pilot one, but it will look similar. And what I want to show you guys is I kind of highlighted in our suggested pacing guide video, hey, I've highlighted some lessons, but there's more to them. If you're logged in, you can click on this to get to the actual course, but I also want to show you how I found the course just from this page. If you go up to Science and General Science, Chemistry, you'll see this high school chemistry curriculum guide. And if you click and open up that, this is where I pulled all the resources from for the chemistry course. What's nice about using this guide is it comes with pre-assessments, post-assessment, practice, and instructional videos. So lots of resources at your disposal, and they're organized by topic. So if you're on the periodic table, all of your resources will be down in here. So all I've done is I've grabbed certain videos and I've linked to them, but you can go through, you can grab even more videos, or students miss a certain topic, you can assign those to students who have missed. These could be some extra credit, these could be part of the classroom. When you open these up, the main part is a video. I think they've worked a little bit on changing up the look and use of study.com. They used to just have the questions that are embedded right here. I believe you have some teacher tools now where you can assign, you can present the video, you can make the video interactive, you can start a quiz game. So there's a lot of other tools now that I don't think that were there. You have worksheets. After the video, there's a quiz that goes along with it. So that way you can assess how students did, and you can print it off if you'd like. There'll be, I'll make sure that we have trainings over some of these higher use of study.com, but mainly you guys have access to these high quality videos that really help students to learn the content really well. So hopefully you can kind of see what that's like. I just wanted to make sure that you knew there's much more practice assessments that you guys can use. Let's open up one of these. Understanding the periodic table of properties. And here's a bunch of questions. And if before you assign it, you can actually pick which questions you like. But you can see this would be a good way to do like practice assessments for your students. So definitely utilize all of these to the fullest, and I'll make sure that we have good trainings to show how to better utilize these so that way your students can get the most out of all the resources that we have. Okay, hopefully you guys found this video useful for just highlighting exactly how study.com can be used. Hopefully there's other trainings as well. I just wanted to keep this video short, and I will see you guys in the next video.